Points card, sir? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.
Bye.
Having kids and stuff, I'm like a day person more than I ever have been before. I never thought I would be somebody that would enjoy seeing a sunrise. I was all about sunsets. But man, there's a lot of gold in that early part of the day, and most people in our industry don't realise that. Nothing better than being out and about early before the sun's even in the sky, especially that transition from dark to light. One of my favourite parts of the day when I'm around for it.
Does pineapple belong on pizza?
In my opinion, absolutely. Now, I will say, I don't know the background to this. It's probably best you don't tell me. All I know is, I like pineapple on pizza. But look, Hawaiian pizza is excellent. One of my favourite pizzas is you get the standard Hawaiian, but then you customise it and you add on some mushrooms and some jalapenos. Excellent. Love pineapple on pizza. Hey there, this is Gareth Emery, and you're listening to Day